Hi, I'm Jack from SharpCloud, and I'm going to be showing you how to hide empty rows in a SharpCloud story. By the end of this video, as a user, you'll be able to hide the empty rows that you don't want to use in a variety of SharpCloud views. So as you can see here, we have a SharpCloud story, the Aerospace Innovation Roadmap, and what I'm going to do is take you into a particular view and show you how to hide the empty rows. So if I jump to the roadmap timeline here, you can see that the current attribute that's being used has technological segment on the axis. If I jump into create mode, we can start to build something that might be better served by having empty rows hidden. So if I go into the view setup, I can choose, for instance, availability as an axis. And this checkbox around hiding empty rows means that any rows that don't have particular items to fit into them will not be shown on the timeline. If I uncheck the box, that will add all of those rows and give that information. So the solution for you as a user, when you're taking any attribute, something like availability, something like impact, is to check this hide empty rows box if you don't want those rows that are not containing items to be included, and to uncheck it if you do. As you can see with impact, none of these items actually fit into the impact swim lanes. So by unhiding empty rows, they're all still used on the timeline interface. By hiding it, we just get an empty timeline. I'll move this back to technological segment. And you can see once again, if I unhide the empty rows, that's going to fill out any that don't currently have attributes. As you can see, actually, all of these items are spread well across the attributes for technology segment. But if I check the box, that's going to give me just the rows that are currently in use. So to sum up, the way that you go about hiding empty rows is you move to the view setup, you select this checkbox, and then that will remove the rows that don't currently have items. Thank you for listening.